be stale, but if it gets you through the lies you tell yourself, then what the hell, you might as well. Check the locks, check the mail, check out an hour too late at your motel. It's a lot when your next job might tip the scale. And there's always other voices in the rafters of my brain, and they've sung the same refrain for all my life. But some of my bad choices didn't leave a path back home, 'cause my mind was too far gone